Hey, house cleaning business owners. Today I want to talk about our MoldyLead HotScrub strategy, right? Which is really kind of a fancy name for something that is known in the marketing world as reactivation. And reactivation is basically, especially if you've been around a while and you've got a list of folks you've worked with in the past, or maybe they were leads that never became a customer, and you've got like 100, 200, 300 people on that list, whatever it is, or 1,000, you can reach out with text, and we do suggest text works best for reactivation, and basically have a nice innovative offer that you can get in front of those people and get into their text stream that kind of encourages them to get off the fence and work with you, right? So this is a cool way, like if you need to make a few more sales or you just want to give it a shot, whatever. To put a nice little offer in there, something compelling that only has, like a couple, 2, 3 spots. I've got like 3 slots for 25% off, any cleaning service or something like that, right? Throw that out there and you might be surprised what you get, especially if you've got, you've done good work for people in the past and they feel good about your business. You might be surprised how well that works and how you can get some great fresh business with very little effort, right? It does take a little texting system put into place, which is getting a little harder by the day with all the compliance stuff. But if you get that in place, then you can even just text 10, 20, 50. You don't have to blast out to 1,000 folks. So anyways, there's a lot more to it, but just as a concept, I wanted you guys to be aware of that because it can be a really effective tool in a fill in the pipeline. All right, cool. Thanks, guys.